The secret to Japanese longevity isn't fish, it's their philosophy. But let me start from the beginning. At first, they thought we were exaggerating. You didn't say it would be this sharp. No, but we did say it's crafted, not manufactured. Not every review is 5 stars. We get it. This isn't your average kitchen knife. It's for those who take cutting seriously. Would you let your 8-year-old near a samurai sword? Then don't leave this on the counter. Not for kids, not a toy. This blade is serious business. In the mountains of Japan, legend tells of a swordsmith who cooled his blade in a frozen river. The result was unlike anything before. A harder, sharper edge that refused to dull. That ancient method lives on. Each blade is ice-hardened at minus 148 degrees Fahrenheit to forge an edge that's unbelievably strong and built to last. It's razor sharp, perfectly weighted, and crafted with obsession-level precision. This isn't just a knife. It's a symbol of what true craftsmanship looks like. The average life expectancy in Japan is nearly 90 years. And it's certainly not just because they eat healthy. What makes the Japanese truly unique is their pursuit of quality in everything they do. In Japan, a good kitchen knife isn't a choice, it's a necessity. So we stopped following the world and followed the Japanese path of mastery. We redesigned the blade geometry, refined the weight distribution, and pushed our blacksmiths to the edge of perfection. What we created wasn't just better, it was something they weren't expecting. A knife that could stand in any Tokyo kitchen and earn respect, honed to a 15-degree edge. Balanced by hand, tested, retested, then tested again. This is not factory line production. This is controlled madness, and it's why Matsato glides through ribeye like butter and holds that edge for years. Standard knives are sharpened at a 25-degree angle, making them less precise and requiring more force to cut. Matsato's blade is honed to an ultra-sharp 15-degree edge, delivering professional-level slicing power. High-end chef's knives cost $200 to $300 or more. Matsato delivers the same cutting power, durability, and sharpness for a fraction of the price. Many knives cause wrist pain and discomfort due to poor balance and awkward grip. Matsato's ergonomic beechwood handle is designed for all-day comfort and total control. A tool that looks luxurious and performs like a beast, not a drawer gift. Just the perfect premium gift for anyone who loves cooking, power, and precision. So if you're tired of flimsy knives that dull in weeks, tired of sawing through tomatoes, tired of cooking feeling like a chore, this is your moment. Right now, for a limited time, Matsato is offering 70% off. A blade that normally costs $100 is yours for just $30, but only while this batch lasts. And with our 30-day guarantee, there's nothing to lose. Try it, feel it. If it doesn't amaze you, send it back. No risk, just razor-sharp reward. Because unlike cheap knives, Matsato isn't cranked out by machines. Every piece takes time, every order is limited, and when they're gone, they're gone. Don't settle for dull, don't settle for average. Get the blade that chefs respect and beginners fear. Matsato, where the soul of Japan meets the edge of steel.